Let's talk about the skin barrier. It's the skin's first line of defense against environmental factors leading to dehydration and dullness. A strong skin barrier equals healthy and happy skin. Meet our best-selling clinical strength and clean moisturizer, barrier repair, and moisture lock. A restorative soft cream powered by science, infused with peptides, apple stem cells, and caffeine to build collagen, tighten, and firm. Cholesterol to strengthen and protect, ceramides and squalene that soften and smooth, balancing the skin's natural moisture levels. Clinically proven to improve skin texture, elasticity, and total moisture balance. With over 2,500 sold, it's no wonder it's our best-selling moisturizer. Great for all skin types. Start your journey to healthy and happy skin tonight.